Next feature can be very useful in analyzing heat maps, view customization. You can make an item to fit the screen or leave it in original size, choose if you want to see heat map or view map, and above all change view option for gaze points, point size, shadow, and opacity. As you can see, heat map consists of many gaze points of the tester's eyes. When you move a point size slider, you can change the size of these points from 1 to 100 pixels. Opacity slider changes the saturation of gaze point colors. Thanks to this feature, you can increase the visibility of hot areas if needed. Shadow slider enables you to change the blur of gaze points, making them a nice heat map, not just a set of many colorful points. The next thing you can do is to make an area of interest. Draw a boundary around an area of chosen image that interests you, and you'll receive desired metrics. Total time spent by viewers at this area, average time spent at this area per view, average first view, so it means how long it took the testers to first look at this area in seconds, gaze counter, so it's average quantity of gazes at this area, viewers counter, how many of all the viewers saw this area, and if the bounded area contains any text, words counter. But please be aware that this could not be 100% proper value, especially when there are unreadable fonts. Every area of interest made can be saved. You can change the item from the study in the menu above. There's one more thing worth noticing. Under a heat map, there is an orange slider with values from 0 to value set as your item display time. The beginning point of the slider is set by default to 0.5 seconds because of something called central fixation bias. Testers have a tendency to look at the center of the image, especially in the first few fixations after display of the image. So to avoid the influence of it, the first 0.5 seconds should be simply cut out. You can also shorten the time interval by grabbing and moving one of the ends of the orange line and move it across the timeline of the test to see what was a hot point in a given moment of the test. Sharing study is simple. Click the Share Study button in the top right corner and share the given link. For more information, please go to our support page. Thank you for your attention.